Okay, so in order to sign into the Schoology mobile app, click on the mobile app and start typing in Palisades. It should pop up a list of schools. You want to select Palisades Charter High School, not Palisades High. Once in, do not sign in under where it says sign in. You want to go down where it says log in using Schoology.com. And from this login page, you can either put your username or email and password for the PCHS Schoology account that you've already set up and linked to your student. Once in, click the menu tab in the upper left-hand corner. Select My Children. You should see where it says More. And from here, you can select Grades. And then Grade Report. A list of your child's courses should appear, and then you can click on them in order to see a breakdown of your students' grades by category. My fake student has an F, so he's going to have to work on that.